Hey, this is Keith, Custom GTP. Let's fill this up with XSPC UV green. That's my zombie hunter build over here. It's been recently flushed and cleaned out of the Vue, and now we're just going to a nice, trusting, safe-worthy XSPC. All right, let's do it. Okay, it was a lot of work, trial and error, learning experience. Got to see what it looked like with the PrimoChill Vue in there. Now we get to check it out with the XSPC UV green. Put a little extra in there. Kinda cool. Guess I could say, I like it. Bold statement, I like it better than the Vue. Safer too, I think. Let's check it out. Thanks for looking. Hopefully this will help you make your decision on whatever coolant you want to go with. Either one looks good actually. Both have really good UV pickups. It just, unfortunately, I was lazy and didn't prep my system good enough, and also did not know that there was a compatibility issue with my NEOChanger pump reservoir. But alright, subscribe, check out my other videos. I have my project HTPC coming up, sitting right there. It's being fleshed out. Here's a quick peek. That one's going to be filled up with white coolant, also XSPC, and I got a bunch of LEDs in there to fire it up. It's going to have red accents. Got the case all painted and wrapped, all being worked on still, so might be another couple weeks before I have that thing posted. So subscribe, check it out. Thank you.